rangba ke jela u Conrad ke sangma menta ke singiu la stang ya ka we ke program ke betep live with Conrad bat ya ka ne un le man la u benai ha ke singi sat jan jang ka tayo bakhat do bat ya ka ne u menteri rangba u la stang no po ka stang smit ha ke jingle che smit ben le ya ka live with Conrad u menteri rangba u la shim ya ka kam jungo kai per thei kum ka phang pedeng na ka benta ban ken tiu ya ka kam jungo kai per thei ha ke ne ka dong ka than Maria Poisha Smith u Conrad ya kabala senran lang do uba lambo mangyang ula yo alat ban kendu i ki patba bat ula rungru shopo ki dukan sha bat disha bat ya kren ru bat ki trai dukan bat kren ru i ki patba nong shong shnong Habashim ya kapang pedeng u Conrad ula ledru ban jungo ya ka RC homestay ha ka bola yo ban ya phelu jingmut bat ki trai bat ula pan ru ka jing ai jingmut naki ba kumnu udang la ban kentiu shu Shushu na kalyang u Conrad u lelet ru ban yakandu sa yaw pa iem jang ka hima khairim u Dr. Balajit Singh Sim haringkat bat ki khun ki kti bat ki pajba ki bala ap hapo kamadan shan.
For multiple reasons. In fact, many of the people who are in my house also are from Nongkrim area. I don't know how many of you know this. My daughters grew up with the care of our caretakers who are from Nongkrim itself. So it's a very important and very special place in my heart. But more importantly, because of IM, because of Balambor and others, I have always tried to do my best for Nongkrim constituency and for Smit area, more importantly. And I want to promise all of you that my work will continue in spite of whatever obstacles, challenges may come in front of us. Remember that we are always there together. And we will face whatever challenges together. We will always be there for each other, and we'll always work for the betterment of our people together. So I just want to say that, and then I'm always there. May God bless all of you. Thank you. And homestays are a very important part because that's how we ensure that the public gets the benefit of the tourism sector development. Hello.
There is space.
How's the thing?
You'll get professional from far.
Tourists to please come and I'll also take a look and we'll have some maybe some food there. What's your name? Great. Nice meeting you. So good. I asked for Shasta. Yeah. Plain chili. And yours is Shadu. So this is one of those days where it gives me an opportunity to connect with the people, and so I feel it's important for me to visit stalls like these, connect with the people, have the tea that people have, and really get to understand how people are living their lives in the grassroots level. And I think it's very important as public representatives to once in a while get in touch with the people in the grassroots. And I think that's really what we're trying to do. So I'll quickly have this tea and quickly have the Putharo and the local food here, and we will go to the homestay. So. No, tell me. I'm a customer.
No, say it's okay for now. So thank you
No,
so
no,
much
no.
for visiting our store.
No. Please tell me, how much is it?
It's fine.
It looks bad. Really.
No, it won't. It won't, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Firstly, this is your hard work, and it's wrong for me.
And I'm so happy to serve the people.
That's what. So it's my duty to at least give it. It's not. I feel very guilty. So tell me how much.
No, it's okay, sir. Thank you so much for visiting us.
I really don't know what to say. So I'm feeling very guilty also. But she doesn't tell me that I cannot pay.
Like, sir, I
but
can
then,
just ask for like one more. Like, can I have a picture with you?
yes,
Like,
my God,
okay.
sure, absolutely.
Anong sana?
थोड़ा खाली कर दो
What's the purpose of your visit to
So
Smith?
I had come here because I've started a program called Live with Conrad, and I decided that every month I'll be going live on Facebook, and this month, the month of May, I decided that it will be on tourism, and it will be in Smith. So that is why I'm here today. This will happen every last Saturday of every month. So next month also I'll be taking up one topic, and I'll be going to some location, other location in the state, and I'll be going live. So as part of that program, I felt it important that I should meet our traditional heads, pay respect to them, and meet the public also at large. So it's also like a CM Connect program for me. So I'm very happy that I got to meet our PAIM and other leaders, traditional heads. They are always there to guide us. They've always guided me, and they've always worked together. We have worked together for the society, for the public at large, and a lot of contribution has been made by them. So it was a wonderful moment to spend a very quiet and a personal moment with them. And I'm very happy that I got a chance once again to come to Smith today.
So
Thank you so
how
much.
do you find?
Excellent, wonderful. And we have also decided that there'll be some more development projects that we will do together, including we are working towards the street lighting of the Smith area. We are also looking at garbage waste management of this area, and also to overall improve the safety security by putting some CCTV cameras. So these were matters that were discussed by the Sordar as well as by our PAIM and other leaders who have suggested these small developments, and I'm happy to support, and we will do the needful along with the community to achieve those goals. Thank you so much.
Yep. Kalau kejingan jong CM hong ni po Smith.
Kejingan jong Chirosta Mantagasi dalong ba udon dito ka udon ya ka nongkram konsusi hapo ka jaka ka pagkarpang ba ka jungo kita ka mo ka donut ka jungo nga ii bagay kasi ang kablingkong hapo ka jingya jonga hakni ka lan bandrong siya po ka kam jong ka sanhima sima nomor ba kadi kasi ng kablingkong mga don hapo ka politics matala art po at islam bangin yo yo menteri rong ba bonwan am donasyo ikan rusin but kajingwan jung kamdi busuan kumto andai one ban jungo ban pet ya kabit kabiang jong kasinong katao but hagini kindiat po lalek lu ladable lawan lale but mentaru kasi hubuan hangni hapo Smith one daka ui katong katong kalong banwanra ya kay kajing ut jing nam bansak kay gabaki nong syok snong pitsngo bansak kay gabaki kadorbas nong kadon ban pitsngo bansak kay gaba usim budun buram jungi im Dr. Balajit Singh Sim yagbang ayo panya kren sibun mantaga janmet hagwe day bat ka jingko jing suba jing kasnong Smith ban penbaha ban penitanat ban weng ini gi jabo jaban gi badon hapo sodong jong kanika snong kathaw namar baka Smith ka ade kawi naki kadi kawi ka center yagba mentang i bagini ki Torres ki jurba banwan siya kathan ki jungi bat kani kladi ka Smith kladi kawi ka jaka ka headquarter jong ka hima khairim bro kawi today hello jong kani kum ki baikit yaba gini ka kam kadi ka kamram jonga abang i bagidan gijing tuna kamut ngimban sing haban penso bantit ya kajing khang jong kihe jong sarkar today nakada daw matagasi kalong hakita ki penta ki pher loyo banrong hapo yo ko hat u menteri rangba abaningkong ubangan ui banrong hapo gidukan di siya ba banyadi siya lang tu bansyong banbam kaju ka ba katukdukan ka achi ki ba Tikani kadi ke bang i ba unong ilam nam ta tejala hi brakoi. Tingi khmilenti ba akini ki khandiat por ki ban sawan nin sayo ikini ki jingmentoi ke bakasnong ka angnot ngadu ki street lights khamtam haka jingshong shingan ki shong ka thau haka bidei bat ki CCTV bat haka ju ka por bandon ka jaka the syndrome ka ba paka yak bang inyo ban thebe haka ju ka jaka tikini ki banta ki ba hakmat de bandon ka public toilet ka ba hoj ka ba suba ka badon lang chikui pat ki jalla tikani ki bang iyo ban yakan man ta